So this is our Play-Doh. We're gonna show some new tricks that he has learned. Play-Doh, sit. Come over here. Come here. Sit. Down. Good boy. Roll over. Good roll over. Good roll over. Now we're gonna show exactly that he can sit and stay. Me walk around and he'll still be sitting here, hopefully. We'll see if it works. Good boy. Sit, stay, 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 stay. So I walked around. Good stay, good stay, good stay. Come here, sit. Good boy. Now we're gonna try to show how he can sit, stay, and leave the food on the floor, even if it's tempting him right in front of him. Play-Doh. Sit, stay, stay, leave it, leave it, leave it, it's okay, good, leave it, good, leave it, good boy. Ta-da! And all this he learned in a very short time. You smart doggy, you. He
4
also,
months.
what?
4 months.
4 months. He's 4 months right now. So, come here, come here. And he responds to his name. Play-Doh? Good. He already learned how to sit right away. You want to do one more? Nuh-uh. Down. Roll over. Good roll over. Ta-da! Want to say hi to the camera? Say hi to the camera, not to me.